It's a fact. Harmful contaminants are a constant threat to your facility and your products. Rodents, allergens, insects, harmful bacteria. Every year, 76 million cases of foodborne illness occur in the U.S. alone. Recalls cost hundreds of millions of dollars and destroy the public's trust. That's why food manufacturers spend so much time and energy to minimize contamination. But keeping facilities clean can be a difficult, never-ending chore. Traditional methods like mops, rags, compressed air, and brooms certainly don't stop contaminants. In fact, all they do is spread them around. That's why the U.S. Department of Agriculture now recommends using properly filtered, specialized industrial vacuums as part of sanitation standard operating procedures. It's the most cost-effective, efficient way for food processors to comply with the GMPs and HACCPs that have been handed down by the U.S. government. Nilfisk CFM delivers the most comprehensive line of vacuums for the food industry, providing the performance you need and the features you want to make cleaning easier. Oversized main filters easily collect large volumes of debris over extended periods with minimum preventative maintenance. Advanced filtering systems featuring HEPA and ULPA technology guarantee the most thorough cleaning, capturing bacteria and other ultra-fine particles down to and including 0.12 microns. These filters prevent allergens and bacteria from blowing back out into the air, delivering the clean you need to prevent cross-contamination of production lines. Nilfisk CFM supports all of your cleaning needs with the largest assortment of attachments, filters, and hoses in the industry, including overhead accessories, stainless steel construction, food-grade FDA-approved polymer hoses, and rugged heat-resistant wands, nozzles, and Nomex filters to withstand extreme oven temperatures, so you can start to clean without waiting for ovens to cool. Waste disposal is safer and faster with dropout collection containers, external filter shakers to keep filters clean, paper bags, ABS collection tank inserts, and polyliners. All Nilfisk CFM vacuums feature modular construction, so all the components are easy to access for fast cleaning. Most models are available in corrosion-resistant stainless steel, so they can be quickly sterilized for little to no trace of food residue. The best way to determine which type of vacuum is best for your facility is to arrange for an on-site analysis and demo from the Nilfisk team. They are experts at assessing your needs and delivering the right vacuums with the right accessories. So contact Nilfisk CFM today and take the first step toward a cleaner, safer facility.